Hey mythical beasts! Today we're diving into a time machine of taste. Marigold here, and I've raided the archives of my memory and online retro snack retailers to bring you a culinary journey back to the good old days. We're talking about the snacks that fueled our playground adventures and made lunchboxes legendary. Get ready for a wave of nostalgia so powerful, you might just find yourself craving a bowl haircut and some neon windbreakers. We're trying our childhood snacks after 20 years to see if they still hold up. Will these iconic eats taste as amazing as we remember? Or have our adult palates evolved beyond the siren song of artificial flavors and questionable food dyes? Our cherished memories are on the line. Will the cookies still dunk? Will the fruit still roll? Will the juice still gush? So buckle up your fanny packs, adjust your slap bracelets, and prepare for a taste test that's 2 decades in the making. Let's do this. Alright, first up on this monumental mission of munchies, we have a true titan of the 90s lunchbox scene. I'm talking, of course, about the one, the only, Dunkaroos. Oh man, just holding this package again is sending shivers down my spine. The vibrant colors, the kangaroo with the sunglasses, it's all flooding back. Remember the sheer power you wielded if you had Dunkaroos? You were the king or queen of the lunch table. The little tray of perfectly round, slightly bland vanilla cookies. And then the main event, that glorious frosting-like dip. Today we have the classic vanilla cookies with rainbow sprinkles frosting. The anticipation is almost unbearable. Will it be the sweet, slightly gritty, utterly addictive experience I remember? There's only one way to find out. Let's crack this bad boy open. The smell? It's definitely a smell. Okay, cookie acquired. Frosting tub breached. The frosting looks alarmingly vibrant. But hey, we're here to taste. So here we go. The ceremonial first dunk. You gotta get a good coating, none of this tentative dipping nonsense. The cookie is submerged, emerges glistening with sugary, sprinkle-studded glory. The moment of truth, people. Next on our nostalgic noshathon, we have a snack that wasn't just a treat. It was an art form. I'm talking about the legendary fruit roll-up. Oh, the hours spent meticulously unrolling these sticky sheets of fruit-flavored, well, stuff. The goal was always to unroll it perfectly without any rips or tears. And who could forget the tongue tattoos? That was peak playground currency. Today we've got the classic strawberry sensation. The packaging still has that same flimsy cellophane feel. Let's see if I've gotten any better at unrolling these things. Nope, still a challenge. It's already tearing a bit. The sheer, almost translucent quality of it is exactly as I recall. It smells vaguely of strawberries. In the way a scented marker smells vaguely of strawberries. It's more oven of strawberry than actual strawberry. But that's part of the charm, right? Alright, here goes nothing. The texture is unique. It's chewy, it's sticky, it clings to your teeth with a tenacity that would make a barnacle jealous. The flavor is intensely sweet, with that artificial fruit tang that is so specific to snacks of this era. Prepare yourselves, mythical beasts, for a snack that promised an explosion of flavor, a veritable geyser of fruity goodness. We're about to get into some Gushers. The commercials made them look like tiny, edible volcanoes, erupting with liquid candy lava. The anticipation of that gush was a huge part of the experience. Would this one be a dud, or would it deliver the promised juicy payload? We've got a tropical flavors pack here. The little gems look just as bright and alluring as I remember. They almost look like they're glowing. Let's pick one. This reddish-orange one looks promising. You kind of had to psych yourself up for it. Okay, here we go. The initial chew is soft, a little resistant, and then... there it is, the gush. It's not quite the Vesuvius-level eruption the commercials depicted, more like a tiny, polite squirt, but it's definitely there. A little burst of super sweet, slightly tangy liquid. The flavor is, well, it's tropical. It's a sugar rush, pure and simple. The chewy outside, the liquid inside. It's a fun, textural contrast. Alright, this next one isn't just a snack, it's a full-blown childhood meal phenomenon. We're cracking open a Lunchable. Specifically, the classic turkey and cheddar cracker stackers. This was the pinnacle of pre-packaged lunch convenience. No more soggy sandwiches. Instead, you got this compartmentalized tray of possibility. The anticipation of peeling back that plastic film was immense. What culinary adventure awaited within? Let's take a look. Okay, we've got our stack of Ritz-like crackers, our little pile of disturbingly uniform turkey circles, and our equally uniform cheddar cheese squares. And of course, a mini Kit Kat or something similar for dessert, a crucial component. The crackers look a bit pale. The turkey has that signature sheen. The cheese is Well, it's orange. It all looks exactly as it did 20 plus years ago, which is either a testament to food preservation technology or slightly terrifying. Time to assemble. Cracker, then a slice of that. Turkey product, then a square of cheese-like substance. Here we go. The crackers are definitely on the blander side of what I remember. The turkey is salty, very salty, and it has a texture that's hard to describe, sort of compressed. The cheese is also quite salty and has that processed cheese flavor that's unmistakable. We've arrived, my friends, at the final frontier of our nostalgic taste test. This is the drink that defined a generation of scraped knees and playground triumphs. It's time to puncture the pouch of power Capri Sun. Oh, the sheer iconic status of this silver pouch. It was sleek, futuristic, and notoriously difficult to get the straw into. The struggle was real, people. It was a rite of passage. You'd see kids wrestling with these things, their faces contorted in concentration. And the victory. That's satisfying as the straw finally pierced the sacred pouch. Then you'd slurp down that cool, refreshing juice or juice drink, as the packaging often clarified. Today we have the classic Pacific Cooler flavor. Just holding this pouch feels like holding a piece of my childhood. The weight, the crinkle, the little designated spot where you're to stab the straw. Will I be able to conquer the pouch on my first try? Or will I succumb to the frustrations of my youth? The pressure is immense. Okay, straw is unwrapped. Deep breath, aim carefully, and yes, first try. All right, the moment of truth, the first sip of Capri Sun in 2 decades. Oh wow, that is exactly as I remember it. That was a wild ride down memory lane. My taste buds have been on a veritable roller coaster of sweet, salty, and occasionally perplexing flavors from the past. From the dunkable delight of Dunkaroos to the frustratingly delicious Capri Sun, it's been an experience, to say the least. Some snacks definitely held up better than others, and some are perhaps best enjoyed through the rose-tinted glasses of childhood memory. But overall, what a trip. My inner child is currently doing a happy dance, fueled by an alarming amount of sugar. It's fascinating how a simple taste or smell can transport you back in time so vividly. Each wrapper, each bite, brought back a flood of memories. School lunches, playground antics, trading snacks with friends. Let us know in the comments which childhood snack you'd like to try again, or which ones you think we should tackle in a future episode. Until next time, stay mythical, and maybe lay off the 20-year-old snacks for a bit.